guys, and be welcome to the channel again. This time I will show you how I go along to do my panel lines. Rescribing panel lines, create hatches or panels, secondary panels, and all those kind of things. So for that I use an array of tools. I use a small chisel if needed. I use the Trumpeter line engraver. I use the Trumpeter Rivet wheel, as you can see, and this comes with another 3 wheels. So we have 70-second, 24th and 30-second scale. I use my hand razor saw from Asgawa. I use a thin tip scriber. I have my Asgawa template ruler. This is a metal rulers that have the templates. And to help me guide the things, I use the Dymo tape. This is the common tape from the labeling machine that you can get a piece and use it as a guide. So without any further ado, let's get to it and show you how I do it. So for this I've used a pair of fold wings from my Rivet Mustang P51 in 70-second scale and sanding down all the original rivets. With the help of the template ruler and mechanical pencil, start marking the lines that I wanted to scribe. Once happy with the markings, I pull the Dymo tape out and place it on the line to be engraved. I have then used the Trumpeter Scribing tool, and with light and gentle passage, I start the engraving. To make access hatches, you can use a template ruler. For that, secure the ruler with some masking tape, and using the straight tip scriber, do light and gentle passes with the tip of the scriber against the edge of the ruler. Always make sure that you don't put too much pressure, as you will end with a line deeper than you need it. To make rivet lines, we follow the same process as the lines. In this instance, I've used the template ruler as a guide and done gentle passes with the riveting wheel backward and forward. Make sure you follow this motion without lifting the tool, as otherwise you will end up with a non-uniform rivet line. finish it off, we used a thin grit sanding pad to remove the bulk of the excess plastic. I've then applied some extra thin cement to the lines itself. This helps melting the excess plastic and give a uniform finish to your new lines. For those lines that you lose when sanding the seam lines, I used a little saw and with light passes I rescribed the line till it matched the previous one. And here we go, your lines painted and washed. Hope you found this video useful, and if so, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you and see you next time.